My name is Hamid Kabuan, 37 years old. I'm the founder for Ballers app.
Hi, I'm Kristen. I'm the founder of Sisley Tribe. Sisley Tribe is a yoga and wellness brand designing activewear for the studio and beyond.
And my name is Anis Said. I'm the founder of Flip and Bid, marketplace for sneakers.
I'm Sarah and I'm working as the Chief Commercial Officer at Enable Banking. Enable Banking is the second generation open banking provider.
So they reached out to me and I thought it was a really good fit because I wanted to get growth capital to be able to build the brand, but I also wanted to work with people who had the experience of being part of a startup and building great companies.
I've got a lot of good inputs from other people about Wellstreet and the way they are working, so it was a fantastic opportunity for me to be a part of it.
What's been standing out is the ecosystem around Wellstreet, all the companies that they are in contact with, the people, their network. As it's all about people in business, I would absolutely say the people is what stands out with Wellstreet.
You know, some of the great things being part of the Wellstreet ecosystem is that they got a lot of partnerships, so we've been able to have really good kind of workshops, and now we also have the Launchpad, the opportunity to get access to really good mentors, but also good insights from the industry.
They're always pushing me in a very good way. Me slowly realizing that some things are important, some things are not as important, and me not being experienced enough, I get the guidance that I need.
A lot. Today we're discussing about a lot of the platforms that Google's that we can use for the future plans. We always get good input from these events.
Now, I think it's a great opportunity to meet other portfolio companies because we're all sharing, similar issues or similar, in the same journey. So it's great to be able to meet up and share our experience and network because we can also, talk to each other outside of these events. But it's also great to, being able to get access to really great mentors, but also get some information about what's happening in the scene.
It's very good. It's very good. There are a lot of experienced and experienced experts that you can talk to, that you can bounce ideas with, that you can discover alternative ways for you to go forward. For example, Google, last year I was here, this year I was here, and Google has been a huge part of the way we work now. I would say be very honest about what you know, what you don't know, and what you have, what the product is, and don't be afraid of expressing your vision, I would say.
Is to see what kind of experience do they have in the field and how are their networks in that area where you have your dream customers.
I think it's important to understand what kind of investor you want to work with, and obviously Wellstreet is a very hands-on investor, so if you're looking for someone that you can closely collaborate together with and that you want to get the expertise and knowledge to be part of the journey, then I think it's a good fit. But if you only want someone who give you money and then don't really hear from them, then I don't think it's a good fit.